Hello friends, welcome to Serial A to Z. If you thought the Big Bang Theory सिर्फ एपिसोड ही फनी थी, wait until you see the behind the scenes स्टाइल वीडियोज, शेल्डन कूफर के क्रेजी साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट से लेकर बर्नाडेट की ऑक्सफोर्ड ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स परफॉर्म्स तक. दिस collection might be some of the funniest moments in the entire show. Today we are going to break down the best moments, why they work so well, and how each scene perfectly captures the character it fans love. Section first, Amy takes control. The video starts with Amy Farrah Fowler acting like a full-on documentary director during wedding dress shopping, and it instantly becomes chaos. She wants to create a beautiful and emotional memory, but everybody else is just roasting each other. Penny gets teased for being too beautiful. Bernadette gets the most backhanded compliment ever, and Amy is taking the whole shoot way more seriously than anyone else. That's why it makes the scene so funny. Section 2, Sheldon Professor Proton audition. Then we get Sheldon auditioning for the new Professor Proton, and this is peak Sheldon Cooper. He starts with total scientific confidence, then somehow turns a kid's science experiment into a radioactive disaster. And honestly, Jim Parsons' delivery here is flawless. The funniest part is that Sheldon thinks everything he says is completely normal. Section 3, Future Sheldon video. One of the smartest scene is Sheldon recording a video for his future self. It starts funny that thermostat instruction, his obsession with the sport, and warning himself that Leonard is his best friend. But then the scene achanak becomes surprising emotional when Leonard realizes Sheldon truly trusts him. That the comedy suddenly turns into a heartfelt friendship moment. Section 4, Sheldon Mars application. Sheldon's Mars application is absolutely comedy gold. He brags about graduating college at 14, compares his PhD to his brother getting an STD. The best line, animals don't trust me, become I smell like nothing. That line is so random and so perfectly Sheldon. Section 5, Howard's Stars Wars audition. Howard's Darth Vader audition is another standout moment. He is fully committed to the role, dramatic voice, emotional acting, everything. And the Beamer suddenly starts yelling about toilet paper. That context is comedy perfection. Section 6. Now let's talk about Bernadette's beauty pageants video. This scene is pure second hand embarrassment in the best way possible. She comes out singing Spice Girls lyrics with total confidence while everybody else watches in shock, and Howard replaying the tape again and again makes it even funnier. Section 7, Penny's drunk video message. Then we get Penny's drunk video message to the Leonard. At first it hilarious become. She can barely talk, but underneath and the jokes there's actually something emotional. She admits Leonard is a great guy and that she was scared because the relationship felt serious. That emotional honesty is what made their relationship work. Section 8. Why these scenes work. What makes these clips so memorable is that they never feel fake. Every character behaves exactly the way fans expect. Sheldon is overconfident and socially awkward. Howard is dramatic. Amy is intense. Bernard is secretly terrifying. And Penny somehow keeps the whole group grounded. These moments feel like real pieces of the character lives and honesty. Some of these clips are funnier than full episode. So overall, these collection reminds us why the Big Bang Theory became such a massive hit. It wasn't just the jokes, it was the chemistry between the characters. So, which clips was your favorite? Professor Proton, Mars Sheldon's, or Bernarde beauty pageants and performance? Let's we know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.